Here I have a very nice condition Sonola accordion in black. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 4 reeds in the treble, low, 2, middle, and high, with 7 switches on the treble side, and also a master palm switch. I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. This is the bassoon, bandoneon, violin, low and high, oboe, another low and middle, clarinet. It's a dry musette, and piccolo, master palm. We have 3 switches on the bass, and this is what they sound like. This is a very handsome, classic-looking accordion. Sonola is a good brand. There's a lot of versatility in these switches. If you like a drier musette, this would be a good accordion for you. As I said, it's a very nice condition accordion. It's not very heavy considering that it's a 4 reed, so it's really not as heavy as you would expect it to be. It's just a very classic accordion. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.